to reflect your light. I'm really happy that you're here and you keep watching the videos and we keep learning together. Today we're gonna talk about an amazing subject, gratitude, and 3 great reasons why to start practicing right now. So I want you to think about how you feel when you receive a present, when you have a glass of water after being so thirsty and tired. So when you have a pleasant experience, you feel the emotion of gratitude. The first reason, gratitude will impact your health. When you practice gratitude, you're teaching your brain how you want to feel. But further than that, you're creating neurological connections. And the more you practice gratitude, the stronger the connections are. And you're actually changing the way your brain thinks. And when you practice it for a longer period of time, you start changing your genetic information as well. And this is mind blowing because this means we can actually delete and reverse diseases like cancer and diabetes. We're not going to have those diseases and we're not going to pass it to other generations. Short-term basis, you can strengthen your immune system by 50% by practicing gratitude for 4 days. And there is very important research on this. The second reason, gratitude is the path to forgiveness. And we will talk about forgiveness in other videos, but for now, practice it and make yourself an expert on gratitude so you make forgiveness an easier process. And the third reason, you can create your ideal future. Do you remember we talked about that your brain doesn't distinguish between reality and fantasy? We want to send, your brain knows that if you get what you want, you feel gratitude. So that's the sign that we want to send to your brain. For your subconscious mind, you already have that health, that wellness, that car, that house, whatever you want. And the more you practice this gratitude, the more effectively you're creating that future. When you predict this future, is biologically the same thing as remembering your past. So if you keep remembering and experiencing those emotions of pain and resentment from your past, you will be creating your future but connected through your past, and you will have the reflection of the same trauma, betrayal, pain, and you're not gonna get anything new. What I want to say here is don't wait until you have a house, until you have the car, until you have the money, the partner, or even health to feel grateful. Feel grateful, and these will come to your life as well. You may think it's easier for others to be grateful, but think about it, and there's always a reason to be grateful for it. I know that not everything that happens in life is ideal or exactly what you wanted. I'm not saying be grateful all the time. I'm saying be grateful every day. Because today, and exactly this moment, was given to you, expecting nothing in return. And to make something out of it is in your hands. And to have today means you have opportunities. So even if something happens that you didn't expect and that you didn't like it, be thankful for that. Because I assure you, life will always push you the right direction when you're taking the wrong path. To apply this and to start getting results, I invite you to practice gratitude the next 5 days. Just write 10 things that you're grateful for. You can talk about breathing, or your food, or your bed, or your clothes, or your house, or a feeling, an emotion, a person, whatever that comes to your mind, just write it down and enjoy that gratefulness and see how everything around you starts changing when you change from inside. Share with me on social media. I will be really happy to see how you're applying these techniques. And remember, when you practice gratitude, the more you practice it, the easier it becomes. And then it will be who you are. You have tried one way all your life. You have been waiting for your life to change to feel gratitude. So today I invite you to feel gratitude and see how your life changes. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't. Activate the notifications so you know every time I post a new video. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for this channel so I can learn from you guys and you can learn the things that I have to give, and we can all be grateful for whatever we want to be grateful in this moment. See you soon.